Hey Mopar fans, we finally got you covered on the hydraulic release bearings. We have those kits available now for both the 23 and the 18 spline factory transmission, and these bearing kits are going to include the bearing, the fittings, the hardware, and the adjustment shims so that you're able to get that set up properly in your application. These bearings are a minimum height of 1 3/4, 1.75. The kit's going to include the 5/16 threaded anti-rotation stud and as I said, all that mounting hardware you're going to need. We'll also include the external bleeder kit. Now it's not going to include the feed line. You're going to still need to provide that. That's a -3AN. And we're going to recommend a 3/4 bore master with a 1.1 minimum stroke to make that operate about a 1/2 inch of movement for you. Now these kits will work with either the Borg and Beck 3-finger or the diaphragm style clutches. Get more information at ramclutches.com.